Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be talking about what I am reading as well as some books that I picked up in February. Most of these books were I bought and two that I received from the author. So first to say that this week I didn't read anything. I started reading a book a week ago and I just wanted to relax this week. I have, between YouTube and my blog and work and killing myself in the gym 5 days a week, I simply, wanted to just take a week of just trying to rest and get some sleep. And that's exactly what I did. I did post every day for that Read So Lit Instagram challenge. So that's pretty much all I did as far as social media went. Everything else was a no for me. And I loved it. It was nice. And it's not about stress because I wasn't stressed. It was just more, I have a lot on my plate and it's nice to take a break when you need to. So with that said, I started reading An American Marriage by Tahari Jones. And I don't have an opinion about it yet because I'm not too far in it to really give an opinion about it. But it's so far what I'm reading is kind of books that I normally read. So I'm looking forward to see what's so special about this book that everybody is loving or not loving, but we'll see. So, but I'm definitely going to continue reading this. I don't know if I'm going to finish it before the end of the month, but that's the goal. The next book I picked up is the book of Night Women by Marlon James, and I picked this up because one, he is a Jamaican author, and I do want to read a lot more Jamaican author this year. And two, I've heard so much lovely things about this, especially from Denise, from Art Books Live, and a few other people who have said that this book is very good. So I am definitely going to be reading this in March, and love to read anything about my country. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to a little patois and all that good stuff in this. The next book I picked up is called Unkindness of Ghosts by Rivers Solomon, and I picked this up after I watched Onyx Page's review of this, and of course she's really into sci-fi and Afrofuturistic book, and I wanted to get into this because it just sounds so interesting, but it sounds like it's going to be a bit over my head as well because again, this is not my genre. If you watch any of my video, I don't read a lot of sci-fi, but I'm slowly trying to get into it, and I thought let me try this one out. The next two books I received from the author, and I received The Last Straw by Ed Duncan, and I've read the first book. This is a sequel to the Pigeon Blood Red. And I liked the first one. It wasn't amazing, but it was a good mystery thriller kind of book with some assassination and stolen jewelry and that kind of stuff. So from what I know, based on what I read in the back, this one is still the same characters from the first book, but they have a new case, and so this one I feel like it's probably going to be more for me because it involves a kid that got tangled up into their mess. So I'm actually really looking forward to this. Definitely going to be reading it for March, being that it has some mystery and thriller involved. And then the last book I received from the author is Confused Spies by Mattis Bailey, and he is a YouTuber as well. And I haven't read any LGBT book in a long time. I think the last was probably like from Elaine Harris, and there was another one, I can't remember the name of the other one. I'm looking forward to this. This is a contemporary one, and it looks like there's a little bit of triangle going on there, and so I'm actually excited to read a little bit of some Confused Spice. So that is all the books that I picked up and what I'm going to continue reading for the few days that we still have in February. And, go ahead and check out, again, Read Soul It, all the videos as well as all the Instagram posts. I'm loving them. It's very creative. I really love the one with the shoes, and I was looking at all the pictures that people post with the book and shoes. Really love it. And that's about it. And I hope you guys are enjoying your day. It's raining here. Hopefully you're not hearing it in the background, but I'm relaxed, I'm in a good mood, and I'm going to continue reading and enjoy the rest of my day, and I hope you do the same. And thanks for watching. Bye.